Well, seeking public information from your local government can sometimes be a daunting task.
In tonight's Legal Lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNairy about the ins and outs of filing a sunshine request.
Andrea, under Missouri's sunshine law, I guess what type of information is considered public information?
So Missouri Sunshine Law gives ways for the public to get public information such as meeting notices, agendas, minutes, public records, for the state or for governmental entities and governmental bodies and municipalities for like budgets, policies, procedures, police records, police reports, even voting records and other records of public governmental body agencies are usually subject to sunshine law request. The law presumes that all public records are available to everybody who makes a sunshine law request, though there are some exceptions. For example, things in litigation or things that are subject to ongoing legal matters may be exempt from production.
Can anyone file a sunshine request? And if you can, just kind of maybe walk us through how that process would work.
Sure. So anybody can. It's as simple as doing a letter and sometimes even going on to whatever governmental body you're wanting to gain information from. A lot of places have actually an online portal for you to request sunshine law documents. So to make a request, the first thing you'd want to do is actually determine who you're going to request from. So you have to determine, for instance, if you're requesting from the state of Missouri, often what department that would be coming from so that you can address the request to the correct people. The more narrow and more specific you can be, the more likely it is they're going to be able to fill your request. The other thing is you will have to pay for the cost of production, especially if it's a larger request. You have to be specific on how you want the request to be delivered. So email, electronic documents, mail. Keep copies of all of the requests you put in, and if you're submitting them online, to take screenshots just for your own records.
And if you do feel that your request is being unlawfully denied, I guess what recourse do you have?
So the Attorney General has a whole page on sunshine law requests, how to request them. They also have a place to fill out a sunshine law complaint. So if you feel a body, one, is not even answering your request, that would be grounds to file a complaint. Or two, is wrongly withholding information under an exception, that would be another grounds to file a complaint.
Andrea McNairy with Brown and Crouppen, some great information for us. We appreciate your time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.
And you can catch the Legal Lens on Fox 2 every Wednesday at 6 p.m.